Hey y'all, Xavier here, and we're back to react to Moon Knight on Disney Plus, episode 4. Alright, so, not gonna lie, it's been a while since I watched, so, cause life and schedule and everything, I was watching other series and stuff, so, um, this is gonna be a bit late. It's not late, but yeah. Anyway, so these last 3 episodes are late, but we'll power through and yeah. Let's see. Alright, so I'm just gonna read the synopsis of what it says for the previous 3 episodes. The goldfish problem. Stephen Grant learns that he may be a superhero, but may also share a body with a ruthless mercenary. Right, because remember this episode. Episode 1. He goes to the town in the foreign country and he meets the what was it? Harrow? Yeah, that's the name. Harrow. And he also meets I don't think he meets Layla. I think he calls Layla. He talks to Layla on the phone, right? And he gets a date with the co-worker and things don't go well, and the episode ends with him fighting the dog thing, right? Episode 2, it says, someone in the suit. When with little time to react, Stephen is thrust into a war of the gods as a mysterious partner arrives. Right, okay, so the screenshot is here. It's in the little commune thing that they have in London, alright, where the police come to visit him, right? He gets fired. There's a security video of him just messing up the place. He meets Layla, right, and then they decide to head to Egypt at the end of this episode, I think. Right. So, anything else about that? I think we see the Egyptian god. I don't remember the name of the god. But once we get into it, that'll trigger our memory. Episode 3, the friendly type, with Marc in the forefront and Arrow ahead. Marc and Layla navigate Cairo for intel. Right, can I see in the screen we see them. We see Marc and Harrow. They're in this thing where the gods are talking, and then we also met that one guy in the little with his palace thing, and they see the stars or something like that, and the god, the Egyptian Khonshu, at they called the meeting. They said Khonshu, don't bother us again. And Marc fights the people, and there's the hint that there's a third person in the body, other than Marc and Steven. Layla, I think Layla gets no. Layla is there, right? At the end, Khonshu is taken away because he does this thing where he moves the night back, the stars back to whatever, like 1,000 years ago, or whatever like that, and the gods intervene and they seal him up, and yeah, so that's where we left off. Yeah, okay, and then we'll see what episode 4 is about. It says the tomb. Let's go. Let's get into it. Okay, this previous on is gonna be very helpful for me. I like this little camera trick they did with the turn of the angle. I know, I like little things like that. Just to spice it up a little, Oh, that's a lot of gods they've imprisoned. Okay. Cause like, how she gonna survive that? I'm assuming she's reaching for a weapon. Oh, she managed to close the door, I guess. Okay. I missed that. What's her plan here? I am lost. Oh! Why is she...
What?
Yeah, why was she like, not still ducking? Cause the bullets were still flying. And she's just there peeking out. Like, come on, duck still. The bullets were still flying. Come on. I don't get that.
You would just disappear from my life. And you didn't think that maybe I should have been made aware of that?
Well, hadn't he disappeared from your life already?
Well, yeah, that's true.
We are not. It's just you and me and the open road.
Go on foot from here.
Yeah, all right.
Where is everybody? Everybody's inside? No guards?
Let's check for supplies.
Oh, kinda weird. But I think they would leave like at least 1 or 2 guards. But I guess everybody's like committed to the cause or whatever. So they all want to be there for whatever moment.
I've been in situations like this before. So have I. It's the same body, isn't it?
Yeah, but different knowledge base.
Full memory in that? Yeah, I'm not sure it works that way. Just...
Yeah, I don't think so either.
No, I'm bloody not alone. I've got Layla. She's got my back. Oh, you in love? Oh, you're in love with my wife? I appreciate your concern, mate. I really do.
You lay one finger on
we've got
her.
it from here.
I swear to you, Stephen, I swear
If I need like a recipe for a protein shake or something, I'll call you.
What's that supposed to signify? I don't know.
You smell like him. I mean, why wouldn't you, right?
Yeah, exactly. You should smell like him.
Marc's trying to protect you from Khonshu. That's all right. I felt like you should know that. Sorry.
Well, that's nice of Stephen to tell her.
Why are you telling me this now?
I don't know. I just thought you deserved to know.
Yeah, she does deserve to know.
It's his call to make. I don't need protection. What I need is honesty.
Yeah, I get that.
That's more of a you thing, isn't it?
Being, honesty?
Yeah. Being honesty.
Being honesty. I don't know, it's kind of weird. Yeah, you can tell she's not feeling it. I don't think she is. Or maybe she is.
I still can't tell when you're joking or not.
But yeah, that kiss was kind of awkward. Not gonna lie. But I guess that was the point.
Oh, wow, look at you.
No, he's talking to the statue. Not you, Leela.
If they just sprang to life right now and asked me a riddle for passage, I'd be thrilled. I shit myself, but I'd be thrilled.
I would not be thrilled if I was in a situation.
No, no, mm-mm, mm-mm, no, 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 no. Hell no. 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 I refuse. No.
And this long line ending in a spiral is the tongue.
The avatar would be Ahmed's voice.
Yeah.
That's right.
Okay, that's a decent amount of blood. And it doesn't look like it's been there for decades. Well, at least from this angle.
Hekau priests, judging by their masks and ceremonial stands. They would have been entombed in here to protect the pharaoh.
Just a minute. Just a minute. I'm just saying what I see, and I see lots of bones and blood going that way, and
Yeah, that's the way you're going.
there's maybe another.
Yeah, another way to go. Yeah, I can't blame it. I want the alternative way too. How is she gonna get away from...
Run! I'll find you! I squished it. I squished it.
No. Oh, that's a deep drop.
Stephen?
No, that's not Steven. That thing was clicking. Keep moving. Okay, yeah. Very stable. Watch your hand, watch it. Whoa, whoa. Don't just stay there, keep moving. Oh, she's making great use of those flares. Did she... Yeah, she held on. Oh, great upper body strength. She works out. Yo, I'd be tired too. No lie. I get it. I get it, man. I get it.
No way, that's not right. That can't be right. That's Macedonian. But I mean, he insisted on calling himself Egyptian. I think we're looking at the long-lost tomb of Alexander the Great.
Oh. Interesting.
So why don't you just go ahead? Floor is yours.
Yeah, lots of floor there.
Alexander was the voice of Ahmed. Right, I'm gonna try something. I'll do something here.
in his mouth.
Sorry. I couldn't be more sorry. I mean, I had to go digging down old Alexander the Great's gullet, but I found it.
You can't tell she's upset, Stephen.
You all right, love?
She clearly isn't.
Hear me.
Alexander? I don't think so. God, I hope not.
You can have done el fooling.
Of course not. Of course I didn't.
But you were there. You were there.
I
Yeah, that sounds on point. He was there.
tried to tell you since the moment we met. I just did not.
Oh my god.
It's been a while since they've met. I'm sure.
They're here.
Yeah, move it, move it, move it, move it.
You're a free man. And of course, with that freedom comes choice. And right now, you have a very important decision to make.
Ugh. Yeah, of course he was gonna get shot. He was like... one against like 15 with guns and with no gun himself.
I can't save anyone who won't save themselves.
Ooh, that was a cool transition. Me gusta.
Do you notice anything unusual about that statue?
What's going on here?
You're Dr. Stephen Grant. Maybe so, but you've got pluck. Now let's see what we can find on our friend here.
Next one, we've got B22, everyone.
What was that?
We've got B22. Don't be afraid to speak up.
Huh?
Don't fall asleep on me now, it's just getting good. B22.
What is this place? Are these people past avatars of Khonshu?
Right, young man. Brakes are on. Your favorite spot.
Wait, oh, that was the guy that just died in the by the heckle.
Sounds like we've got a bingo.
I won.
We have a winner.
I'll share it with you this time, I swear.
Okay, this is weird, but intriguing.
Don't do this. You're only gonna... Hey. Be gentle with it. Don't hurt him, alright?
Oh, that's how I recognize the guy. He was a police officer, because I recognized her.
Stephen? Marc? Stephen! Marc!
Is that another personality? That little soft voice. Alright, so that was episode 4 of Moon Knight, The Tomb. Right, so things clicked into my memory once I started watching the episode like I thought it would. So what happened? Steven and Layla, they're trying to escape from some of Harrow's people who are following them. And then Layla manages to fend them off and kill them. And so they make their way to the tomb of Amit. And then they share a kiss. After Stephen tells Layla about why Marc has been pushing away because Khonshu wanted her to be his replacement or like isn't the next person, so it's kind of an awkward thing. I don't know. We saw a little thing on the ground. I don't know what that was supposed to signify. Beats me. Like a scalpel knife thing. Don't know. Alright, so they make their way to the tomb. They share some nice moments. They make their way to this room with like this table, and there's like fresh blood and like some flesh on it, and so they start talking about like these Heka priests who are like meant to guard the tomb. They hide. One of the priests comes and plops the big police officer on it and kills him and starts dissecting. They run opposite directions, but Stephen manages to kill Priest. I didn't think he was dead originally, but looks like it worked. Or it might have been the same priest that tracks Layla later. I'm gonna assume it's the same one for ease. Yeah. So she gets into a fight with it and she kills it. And then there's a little discussion with Harrow, who's watching her battle the priest after she's like this perilous thing. So Harrow shares with her that Marc was there when her father was killed, and this would be it's upsetting, as it should be. And then Stephen finds the tomb. I learned that the pharaoh who was Amit's avatar was Alexander the Great, right? And Stephen has to reach inside the mummy's throat to peel out the Ushapti. They find it. Marc comes out because Layla finds her way to the tomb. The room where the tomb is in. The room where the sarcophagus is in, and she's like, "Yo, did he kill my father?" And Stephen is like shocked, and he's like, "I want no parts of this. I don't know how to answer this. So, put you up, Marc." Marc answers and tells her he didn't kill her father, but he was there. His partner was there. His partner shot everybody, killed everybody except Marc. But he did also shoot Marc, but Marc survived. And then they hear Harrow and his people coming. Layla runs to hide, to look for an exit, and also to look for an exit. Marc has an axe. Harrow gives him a choice. He takes out a few of the guards, the mercenaries, the body people, whatever the cult people. Harrow shoots him twice, and Stephen falls into this like asylum place, and he sees people there that are from his past. We see the two police officers. We see Harrow and we see Layla there. And we also see this little movie thing, TV show where the character's name is Stephen Grant, and so I was thinking, oh, how this is connecting? Why is Stephen is Mark a real person and Stephen is like somebody made up based on watching this movie or something? But eventually, Mark gets reminded of Stephen and that her shot him. He finds Stephen, frees Stephen from the sarcophagus he's in, and then there's another room where another sarcophagus and someone is trying to get out. So that is telling me there's a third personality, because there have been hints at it in early episodes that I remember. Yeah. So. And then they're trying to escape, and then they buck up on a hippo. And there's a little soft voice. I think that's Layla's voice. I'm not sure, but could it be? I don't know. I don't know who that was. But yeah, so that was episode 4. A lot happened, but it was very easy to sum it up. Good episode. It retread some of the things that happened in the previous episode, so it could stick in my head, and also the recap at the start helped. Decent episode, decent bits of action. The plot is progressing a little bit. It went to a weird place in the last half, so I was kind of don't know what to do, but I'm getting some kind of idea of what's happening, but I'm not sure. Like some kind of in-between place where Mark being shot and almost dying, because you see him being transported, it's opened up whatever space is connecting them, allowing the personalities to live in the same body. And so it's aptly an asylum, so I don't know, let's see what happens like in the future episodes, but that's a decent episode. Not much more to say. It just helped to progress the plot. I was entertained enough, so kudos to that. Yeah, that's all I have to say right now. Oh, right. Good acting by the actress for Layla. She really sold. Her emotions were present. She was the star of this episode. Big up, who's the Layla actress? Hold on. May Kalamawi? Egyptian Palestinian. Okay. Oh, big up her. Big up her. Yeah. She did well in this episode. I really gotta give her props. She was a star. Oh, and the little moment between Mark and Steven when they finally meet each other and they're with a hug. That was cute. That was nice. Anything else that was really popping? No. That's it. Anything else would just sum up in future episodes. Alright, so those are my thoughts, and goodbye.